One thing that can help you to be a better public speaker is the use of your hands. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about 3 hand gestures and movements that you can use while giving presentations or speech or even during day-to-day conversations. Let's start with the first hand gesture, and that is the give gesture. We can use this gesture, the give gesture, when we are welcoming somebody, like welcome to conference steps. Or we can also use the give gesture when we want to jump to a different topic, like the next topic that we are going to talk about is environment, right? Another way to use the give gesture is when we are talking about growth and expansion. But for that, we have to take our hand from a lower part of our body to the upper part of our body. Like the next year, we are planning to grow and double the size. You can also use one hand, like I'm planning to grow and expand this to a new country, right? The next hand gesture, the second one, is the chop gesture. And we can use a chop gesture like this. And we use it when we are saying something really important, like my decision is final. I'm not going to change it. Or it can also be used to say something very strong, like the most important thing for us right now is to save the environment. When the opinion is really strong, when we want to say something with a dedication, then we can use this chop gesture. The third gesture that we are going to use is the most flexible one, and it is the sew gesture. Like when we are talking about a ball, we can sew a ball. When we are talking about writing something, we literally sew that we are writing. Or we can also say, I was reading a book. Or let me just give you a longer example. I was thinking of eating soup, drinking soup, and I cut the vegetables and made it myself. I was thinking, I cut the vegetables and then I prepared it myself. The sew gesture is the most flexible one, and you can use it just to match the words with your hands. It's as easy as that.